Today we bought one of the most worst looking cars and cheapest cars on Facebook Marketplace. Today we're going to show you guys how we're going to flip this for profit. Yo, what is going on, guys? Nick here. Today I'm doing a little bit of a voiceover because I feel like I didn't fully explain in this video what is happening. So we are flipping this van for a profit. As you can see, it is pretty beat up, has a lot of cosmetic issues and some mechanical issues, but that's okay because someone is still going to come by and purchase this van with the low miles on it. Only 107,000 miles on this van. It is just the beginning of the life for this van, and it's definitely gonna sell. So we decided to clean it up, make it look very presentable. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, but I just feel like I should have explained what's going on, so that's why I'm here doing this voiceover. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Please drop a like on it if you do enjoy these types of videos, and drop a comment down below what else you want to see, if there's any type of video content that you want to see, especially on flipping cars or whatever. And just any questions, let me know. I will help you guys out. And anyways, I'm gonna let you guys finish enjoying this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Quick little ghost can break. Not sponsored. Eric's working on the back right now, trying to finish that all up. It's coming along pretty good. We really don't have to do too much work just because we know we're not going to make too much money off of this car. It's just a quick little flip, so you just want to make it look presentable, nothing crazy. We're probably not even going to clean the outside of the car because there's just so much damage on it where it's just not even worth cleaning up. But that's why we're vacuuming the whole entire inside to make it look presentable for whoever's going to be driving this car. Like, she just picked something to freaking clean. Bro was just like, yo, let me clean that real quick. This is almost done. I don't know how perfect I'm gonna get it up here, but it's looking pretty good, way better than how it looked before. Gonna have to clean this up now. This is really, really dirty. You think? Yeah, I know. I don't get that. Or ghetto work or something. Well, this don't. It's all bad. Alright guys, so we just finished cleaning out the whole car and making it all presentable for our listing. I'm going to put the listing photos up right now, and we're just going to have to wait and see how much we actually get for this car. I'll pick the video up with you guys once the car is sold, and I'll let you know how much profit we made. Okay, we just sold the Windstar. And there it goes. And it is sold. So yes guys, overall we made about $500 profit off this van. We purchased it for $700 and we sold it for $1,200. Not too bad, and we really just gave it a good detail, nothing crazy. We just wanted to get it out of our hands, do a quick detail, and sell it. So that wasn't too bad. We wanted to sell it for $1,500, but we just felt like that we shouldn't wait that long and just sell it as we can get the money and just go on from there. So we got the $1,200, made $500 profit, and yeah, it wasn't too bad. Just wanted to show you guys that you can make money out there. Like, there is so many ways out there to make money. Just start a side hustle, start working, start doing something with your life. I should be taking my own advice because some days I don't even feel that great, and some days I just slack off, but then other days I'm doing very well and just producing as much as I can. It's all about the discipline, not the motivation. Make sure you're using discipline, because discipline is what's going to get you far in life. But I'm not trying to make this motivational, just wanted to show you guys that it is possible to make money. And anyways guys, if you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, anything like that. I will definitely answer your questions. And anyways guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.